What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to tweak the best Windows settings to boost the gaming performance on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. We're going to explore several solutions, and it's important to note that the effectiveness of each solution may vary depending on your specific setup. Begin by searching for Settings in your Start menu. Navigate to System and scroll down to find the About option. Click on it and then click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, stay on the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. Here, select the Adjust for Best Performance option. Then click Apply and OK. This step optimizes Windows to prioritize performance over visual effects, which can be beneficial for gaming. Still in the Settings window, navigate to System, Display, Graphics. Click on Change Default Graphic Settings. Toggle on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling and Optimizations for windowed games. These options can help improve the efficiency of your GPU, potentially enhancing gaming performance, especially in windowed mode. When this is done, you should adjust your GameBarPresenceWriter settings. Open File Explorer and go to your local disk C. Then navigate to Windows, System32. Use the search bar to find GameBarPresenceWriter. Right-click on GameBarPresenceWriter, select Properties, then go to the Security tab and click on Advanced. Change the owner to your username. You can find your username in the Users folder under local disk C. After changing ownership, grant yourself full control in the permissions. After making the changes, it's crucial to give ownership back to Windows. Click Change again and type nt-service/trusted installer. Check the name and click OK. Finally, rename GameBarPresenceWriter to GameBarPresenceWriter 2. This can help prevent certain background processes from impacting game performance. Next, make sure your graphics card driver is up to date. Open GeForce Experience. If you don't have it, download it from the NVIDIA website and install it. Once opened, head to the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. If an update is available, click Download. After downloading, choose Express Installation to install the updated driver. The process is similar for AMD GPUs and the AMD Radeon software. Next, to update your operating system, open up your Windows settings. From here, head to the Windows Update section and download the latest Windows update before installing it. When this is done, you should enable Windows Game Mode from your settings. Still in your Windows settings, navigate to the Gaming section. From here, select Game Mode and toggle this option on. Lastly, reduce the amount of applications running in the background. Open up your Task Manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. Here, in the Processes section, you can sort this list of processes by their CPU and memory usage, and any third-party task you're not using while in-game. For example, your browser, Steam, or Discord. All these steps, along with more detailed instructions and additional tips, are available in my extensive guide linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.